Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Jackie L, and this is Little Nashida. You guys, let me know what you think of this fishing outfit. I want to welcome you guys back to my new YouTube channel called Reborn Fashionista and the Barbie Divas. This is Little Nashida. She is an Ashton Drake doll. Very posable. Human hair. So truly real like. Let me know what you think of this fishing outfit, you guys. Look, she caught a little fish. Yay! Again, you guys, I'm Miss Jackie L, and this is Reborn Fashionista and the Barbie Divas, you guys. Make sure you give a lot of likes and shares to my new channel. And if you want to continue to see what Little Nashida is wearing, just hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this outfit, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye-bye.